After opening a photo in the Photos app and then selecting the Edit button and then tapping on the wand, you could auto enhance the photo, which makes a big difference. And now if you have got many photos and videos, you don't need to open each photo or video to auto enhance. Instead, open the photo that you have auto enhanced and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then select Copy Edits. It then gives an option to select the edits that you want to copy, such as Adjust. Make sure the toggle is on and then tap on Copy and then tap on Back to go to your library and then tap on Select and then select the first photo or video after the photo that we have just auto enhanced and then drag down the selection to select all the photos and videos. In this way, I have selected 29 items and then select the three dots at the top and then simply tap on Paste Edits. This would start auto enhancing all of your photos and videos. And here you could see the progress. And once it's completed, you could open any photos or videos, tap on the Edit button. And for video, if you would tap on Adjust, you could see auto enhancement is already applied. You could also see at the top the option to revert the enhancement. Similarly, if I will open a photo, you could see it is also auto enhanced. Watch my next video on the screen to learn how to transfer your photos and videos to your computer without losing all these enhancements that we have applied.